Hello everyone. Presently we are in a very crucial situation due to corona pandemic. We are struggling with a lot of issues, social, psychological, economic. And particularly for the economic, we are really thinking how we are going to survive in the coming days. In the present scenario, I can see the possibility and the probability in the two sector, that is the IT sector and the healthcare industry. I just say to the young aspirants, just please hurry up and develop your skill in these two sectors, particularly IT and healthcare sectors, because lot of possibilities are going to come up. I, Dr. Unmona Borgohain, Principal of Asian Institute of Nursing Education, would like to talk about the health care profession, that is about the nursing. I'm the Principal of Asian Institute of Nursing Education, Guwahati, Assam. It was established in 2004. So during this tenure, we are able to establish ourselves as a best nursing institute in Northeast India for engendering change in the nursing education. And we are affiliated to SNDT Women's University, Mumbai, also Srimanta Shankar University of Health Science. The unique point at our institute, I can say, when we receive the students, we take them the way they are and we focus on their hidden talent to help them to grow as a citizen, as a humble professional. And we focus them that they can be independent in the society, they either in the service or as a person, whatever they do in the life. And in this tenure, we are able to make the university record from the very inception. In the final examination, our students are getting the record in the first 5th position, both SNDT Women's University and the Srimanta Shankar Women's University too. And we are given the ample of scope to develop their hidden talents, and we are arranging many activities for them. And particularly we are making them responsible citizens so that they can go to the society by arranging different health camp, different services, so that they can understand the need of the people directly while they are learning. And also during this COVID pandemic, our students, they are attending continuously online classes, and also they are involved in the training and making aware of the people around them, where they reside, how to wash their hands, and what are the prevention and precautions to be taken for the prevention of COVID-19. And I believe that each individual, when they come forward, even during this period, though there is no classroom teaching, and each our teachers are engaged to teach them by Zoom meetings and Zoom class, and by electronically they are attached with the book. And we are creating the virtual lab so that the students can learn and keep them updated. And we are here to guide them, to lead them for the future. And particularly I just say to the people who are looking for the nursing, I say the being human is the great gift of God. Being the nursing is the great blessings, as because we are here to witness the birth till death. We are here to nurture the humanity, to grow, to develop their life, or to be free from the disease, whatever it is. So I say that this is the right time to take the decision to join in nursing, as we know that in world we need 1 million of nurses before the pandemic itself, and now during the pandemic we have the need double in number. And I am so proud to share with you, our graduates also been directly caring the COVID patient from the front line, and they are being so much encourageous, so courageous. They are becoming the ambassador for us. And I believe each one of you who are willing to joining in the nursing will help you to know yourself as an individual. It will help you to help the society the way you want. So this is the message for you. Thank you.